welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Kings of Leon here, not too often. Actually, should be here a lot more. And yes, this song is called The Wolf. Cool song here, and I really am a fan of Kings of Leon. They have some quality that I can't explain. They're just great. So anyway, let's look into this song called The Wolf. And as you can see, we have capo on first. That's the best scenario for us. A couple of chords to go over, and otherwise it's pretty straightforward. Let's start with the chords. We're gonna start with the GB chord. So that goes second on A, open D, open G, third B, and open E. Next chord is C. That goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We're gonna use G. That will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We also got the A minor. Open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And finally we have the F. That's a bar chord, so you place the index finger on first fret, you push down all strings there, then you need to add third A, third D, second G, and that's it. So there you have all the chords. Now we're gonna work with down up only, okay? So down up, down up, down up, down up. That's what's going on here in this song. So let's go into the first verse. We're gonna play G, B to C, okay? That is the first combo we're gonna use, and we're gonna have some kind of formula here when it comes to the switching here. So when it comes to the first chord here, GB, you're gonna play down, up, down. Okay, so, and then you switch in that moment to C when you go up. And then you continue on that C 6 times on down up. So down up is 1 time, so down up is times 6. So down up, down up, down up, down up, down up, down up on that C. Okay, and I'm aware you cannot count all this and you will slip on some chord switch because this goes pretty fast, but this is just technically how to describe when to switch the chords and how long they will last. You will have some kind of feel when you play this, you practice, and you will just feel it when it's time. So slowly it goes like this. Okay, that is 1 round. So in tempo. Okay, so that is the first combo, GB to C. You're gonna play that 2 times, and then you go over to the combo G to A minor, and you play that in the same way. So G is played down, up, down, and then in that moment you switch to A minor and play up plus down up times 6. So that will be you played that for 2 times. And all these 4 times in total, GB to C 2 times and G to A minor 2 times, all these 4 times will be 1 round. You're gonna play for 2 rounds, okay? So you're gonna play this. That is 1 round. Play for 2 times, and that will be the first verse. Okay, now into the first chorus. Break in case of emergency. That's where we are in the lyrics, and we're gonna start that at 24 seconds in. Now we have the same principles here, same formula is done, and we're gonna play the first 3 times the combo F to A minor. Okay, so F is played down, up, down, and then A minor up, and then down, up for 6 times. That's the first 3 rounds. The fourth and final round, you're gonna stay on that G, and you're gonna play that like 1 full round. So if you combine the F and A minor, the length of that is what you're gonna play for just G. So that means you're gonna stay on that for 8 times the down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And what you can do here is, if you can, try to get this motion going on here when you play the strumming. Okay, so what I'm doing here is to focus on the 3rd fret B string and then the open high E. Okay, so that means when I'm playing the G, the full grip, the full chord is with that 3rd fret E string. So I'm releasing and I'm putting back the little pinky on that 3rd fret E string to get it open and not. Okay, so that is what's going on. So the chorus is played 3 times with the F and A minor combo, like this. And then comes the G part. And the timing of using this alternate notes, the 3rd fret B and an open E, is to start on the 3rd fret B string and play down, up, down, and then releasing to get this open high E and play up, down, up, and then get back to the 3rd fret B, down, up, down, and release to get the open high E, up, down, up. Then the 3rd fret B, down, up only, and then open E, down, up only. Yes, I'm aware this is very technical here, but you will feel it once you know how it's done. You can practice on it and then it just flows naturally. So it goes like this. Tempo. So that is the chorus. 3 times on the F, A minor, and 1 time on that G. Considering that 1 round, you're gonna play that for 2 rounds as well. Okay, and after that comes the instrumental part where you're gonna play the verse play for 1 full round. That means G, B, C, G, B, C, G, A minor, G, A minor. All right. Now into the 2nd round of everything, it's just repetition. Another 2 rounds of that verse play, and that's the 2nd verse. And then comes the 2nd chorus, played exactly the same as we just learned, and then follows an instrumental part, again the verse play, now for 2 rounds. So considering that it's twice as long as the first one. After that comes the final chorus, and again it's just repetition, guys, played in the same way as the previous choruses. And then we have the outro part where we're gonna play the verse play for 2 rounds. So yes, once you know the verse, once you know the chorus, you have this song, guys. So that's it. Kings of Leon, The Wolf, cool song. Give it a shot if you love the song, and if you love me, my channel, then you can consider subscribing to this channel and like this tutorial if you wish. Hope to see you soon, guys. Till next time, play tuned.